Okay, again, this is a 10-inch drum sander. It's a 110 model, which is great. A lot of them are a 220, which is kind of hard to use at a home residence. So this 110, like 20 amp and 10 horsepower. Yeah. Okay, you go down here, and this is where your belt is. Okay, this is how your belt goes on and off your 8-inch drum sander. You have a metal bar on this old thing, and you have flat screws. You loosen up both your screws, get your bar loose in there, and you just roll your belt on. You have to push it up and make sure it's tight. That's the biggest thing. You don't want play in this belt. You suck it up in there what you can. You tighten down your screws, and that'll suck the belt on tighter, and you want to make sure that thing is tight. Okay, this is still the 8-inch drum sander. It's very heavy. It weighs over 200 pounds. And with a 36 grit on here, you can tell it's already taken off some. This is what you want to get down into the wood and take off the finish and just down to the nice wood again. Because there will be cups and there will be bows and things. You need to flatten it all out. Okay, so this has the cups in it. As you can tell, it's taken off a good amount on one side, and it didn't get down in here very well. So you have to make several passes to level it out. You want to get off this hump here and go over to the beginning of your next board and get down in there. And when you come up to the end of your run, you want to kill the switch and get it off. You don't want to be holding it up and then just dig into your deck. You need to turn it off just as you're coming to the end.